graph. So this is the graph of what? Sin x. Yes or no? I will draw the graph. You check it out. Okay. So f of x equal to the step of sin x is equal to. So how to break the intervals C from 0 to pi by 2? So sine lies between 0 to 1. Next again at pi by 2 it is taking exactly one value. Next pi by 2 to pi again it lies between 0 to 1. So what I do is I will do like this. I will break the intervals like this. 0 is less than, x is less than, strictly less than pi by 2. So in this interval, sine is what lies between open 0 to 1 or not? Close to 0 to open 1. No, sorry, yeah. Open 0 to open 1. Because open 0 I have taken, 0 I have not taken. So because in question, open 0 is given. See here, open 0 is given. That's why open 0 to open pi by 2, sine always lies between 0 to 1. Open 0 to 1. That's why step sine value is 0. First thing. Next, at x equal to pi by 2, sine value is what? Sine 91. Therefore, step 1 is 1. Next, pi by 2 to again open pi by 2 to closed pi. Sine is a fraction again. Therefore, pi by 2 is less than, x is less than or equal to pi. Again, sine lies between in this interval 0 to 1. Again, it's 0 in this interval. Next one is, last one is what? Open pi to open 2 pi. Because in question, open 2 pi is given. In this interval, pi to 2 pi, it lies between what? 0 to minus 1 or not? See, from pi to 2 pi, including 3 pi by 2. So in between 0 to minus 1. Therefore, from pi to 2 pi, the value is what? Step of sin x value is what? Minus 1. Clear? Here different. In between 0 to pi by 2, step value is 0. At pi by 2, step value is 1. Again, pi by 2 to pi, step is 0. But from pi by 2, pi to 3 pi by 2, from pi to 3 pi by 2, step value is minus 1. At pi by 2 is also minus 1. And 3 pi by, sorry, at pi to 3 pi by 2 is minus 1. The 3 pi by 2 is also minus 1. And 3 pi by 2 pi also minus 1. That's why here at x equal to pi by 2, sin x, step of sin x is discontinuous. But here at x equal to 3 pi by 2 not discontinuous. Yes or no? Here the value is what? Minus 1. Now, if you draw the graph of this function, see, in between 0 to pi by 2, the value is what? 0. Therefore, the graph will be, the red color graph is our step sin x graph. And the same reference frame I am drawing. Therefore, from here to here. Again, here break will be there. Here discontinuity will be there. Now, at x equal to pi by 2 is over. Next, pi by 2 to pi. Again, it says pi by 2 to pi, it's line. No. At x equal to pi by 2, 1. Next, pi by 2 to pi, it's 0 again. Yes. Pi by 2 to pi, it's 0. Pi by 2 to pi, it's 0, including pi. At x equal to pi by 2, it's 1. This dot. Next, pi by 2 to pi is over. Next, pi to 3, pi to 2 pi, it's minus 1. Pi to 2 pi, it's minus 1. Open. That's why here open is continuous line. Line segment from pi to 2 pi. Okay. Red color is graph of what? Step of sin x. Simply the graph is like this. So next, so this is 2 pi. Right. Now it's okay here. This is the graph of y is equal to this one. This is the graph of y is equal to step of sin x. It is discontinuous at what? Pi by 2 and pi. Therefore, f of x equals to step of sin x is discontinuous. at x equal to pi by 2 comma 5 is the next.